We drove half an hour to Boothbay, and now we're at the Railway Village Museum. The station that we're at right now, Freeport, was part of a large railway company that went all over Maine, and this was along the pine tree route because there's many pine trees around here. Now we're gonna ride the train from Freeport Station to Thorndike Station. Right now we're at Freeport Station here. The train's gonna go through the forest and it's gonna come here past the duck pond. Then on the second loop, it's gonna stop there and we have the option to get off.
Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you.
All aboard!
I wonder who's controlling that? Is it the guy there or the lady back there? Oh, here's Thorndike Station. We're in a tunnel/shed.
We're just about to finish the first time, and on our second loop, halfway we get an option to stop at Thorndike Station.
And that is the Railway Village Museum.
My favorite part was riding that train because it was very scenic.
This is a cute little railway town. When you come, you should definitely ride the train, get off at the other stop, and look at all the cool large trains and the model trains.